Best 10 vegetables to boost kidneys. Why your kidneys deserve the best, and why you'll want to keep reading. Imagine this: you're sitting down to a meal, feeling good about choosing a plate full of vibrant vegetables, only to realize later that some of those healthy choices might be quietly working against your kidneys. It's a startling thought, isn't it? As a seasoned medical researcher with decades of experience studying human health, nutrition, and the intricate workings of our bodies, I've seen this scenario play out too often. Kidney health isn't just about avoiding the bad stuff, it's about embracing the right foods with intention and knowledge. And that's exactly why I'm here today. If you or someone you love is navigating kidney issues, whether it's chronic kidney disease, CKD, dialysis, or just a desire to keep those vital filters in top shape, this guide is for you. I'm diving deep into the top 10 vegetables that can support your kidneys, reduce inflammation, and help you feel your best. But this isn't just a list, it's a journey. I'll share surprising science, practical tips, real-life stories, and even a few kitchen hacks to make these veggies irresistible. By the end, you'll not only know what to eat but why it matters and how to make it work for you. So, grab a cup of tea, herbal, of course kidney-friendly, and let's get started. You won't want to miss a single word. Number 10, zucchini, the hydration hero your kidneys will thank you for. Let's start our countdown with a vegetable that's as unassuming as it is indispensable: zucchini. If versatility had a mascot, this would be it. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of your kitchen. So why does it earn the number 10 spot? Because it's a quiet, steady powerhouse for anyone with kidney concerns. Zucchini is low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, 3 minerals that can spell trouble if your kidneys aren't firing on all cylinders. When kidney function falters, these elements can pile up in your blood, throwing your balance off and putting extra strain on an already taxed system. Zucchini sidesteps that drama entirely. It's like a cool breeze on a hot day. What makes zucchini truly shine, though, is its water content, over 95%. That's not a typo. This green gem is basically a hydration delivery system. Why does that matter? Your kidneys thrive on water. It's their fuel for flushing out toxins, keeping creatinine levels, a key marker of kidney health, in check, and preventing that heavy, sluggish feeling that comes with waste buildup. I often tell my patients to imagine zucchini as their kidney's personal assistant, discreetly tidying up the mess without asking for much in return. But here's where my research lens sharpens the picture. Zucchini isn't just about hydration. It's a digestive dream, especially if your gut's been grumpy from kidney meds or dietary shifts. Unlike some vegetables that leave you bloated or gassy, yes, broccoli, I'm calling you out, zucchini is gentle. It's got a solid dose of fiber too, not enough to overwhelm, but just right to keep things moving smoothly. A happy gut means less waste for your kidneys to wrestle with, and that's a win worth celebrating. The possibilities are endless. Sauté zucchini with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of kidney-safe herbs like rosemary or oregano, no salt required. Roasting coax out its natural sweetness, turning it into a caramelized treat. Spiralize it into zoodles for a low-carb pasta alternative that feels indulgent without the guilt. I've even grated it into omelets or muffins. My kids devoured them, none the wiser. Pro tip: if it feels bland, don't shy away from experimenting with flavors. A dash of smoked paprika or a squeeze of lemon can elevate it without compromising kidney health. Let me take you back to Maria, a 52-year-old woman I worked with years ago. She'd just been diagnosed with early-stage CKD and was petrified of food. "Everything's a risk now," she told me, her voice trembling. I started her simple with roasted zucchini, lightly seasoned. A week later, she texted me, "I feel lighter already." Over the next few months, her energy climbed, and her labs showed improved hydration markers. It wasn't a miracle cure, but it was a foothold, a way to reclaim control over a body that felt like it was betraying her. Maria's story reminds me why I do this. Small shifts can spark big hope. Zucchini's mildness is its superpower. It's a blank canvas begging for creativity. Don't sleep on it. Play with spices, salt-free, of course, and textures to keep your meals exciting. This isn't just a vegetable, It's a tool for resilience, a reminder that health doesn't have to mean deprivation. Number 9. Green beans, the inflammation-fighting staple. Next up, we've got green beans, the unsung heroes lurking in the produce aisle. They are simple, affordable, and a kidney-friendly treasure. Like zucchini, they are low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, making them a safer pick than their legume cousins. Sorry, kidney beans, the irony isn't lost on me. But green beans don't just coast on being safe, they bring a secret weapon: inflammation-fighting prowess. Inflammation is the silent saboteur in kidney disease. It's like a slow-burning ember, gnawing at your tissues and wearing down your body's defenses. Green beans are packed with antioxidants, flavonoids, and vitamin C that act like tiny extinguishers, dousing those flames. Oxidative stress, a nasty sidekick of inflammation, can grind your kidneys down over time, but these nutrients form a protective shield. I've seen lab results shift, sometimes subtly, sometimes dramatically, when patients lean into foods like this. Then there's the fiber factor. Constipation sneaks up on kidney patients more than you'd think. Medications, fluid limits, and a restricted diet can clog the works. Green beans keep things flowing, cutting down on waste that could burden your kidneys. It's a practical, no-fuss benefit that doesn't get enough credit. Steam them for a crisp, fresh bite, or roast them with garlic and a zest of lemon for a flavor pop. Stir fry with a splash of olive oil works too, just keep it light. Skip canned green beans unless they are labeled low sodium. Those brins are sodium bombs waiting to ambush your kidneys. Frozen ones are a stellar alternative. They lock in nutrients without the sneaky extras. I'll never forget John, a gruff dialysis patient in his 60s who despised vegetables. "They are boring," he'd mutter, arms crossed. I challenged him to try roasted green beans with a hint of lemon. No pressure, just a taste. 2 weeks later, he shuffled in with a half smile. "Okay, doc, you win. They are not half bad." His inflammation markers dipped slightly, and he felt less bloated. It wasn't a Hollywood transformation, but for John, it was a crack in the wall, a step toward trusting food again. Green beans prove you don't need exotic or pricey to get results. They are steady, reliable, and perfect for anyone overwhelmed by dietary upheaval. They are the friend who shows up without fanfare but always has your back. Number 8. Asparagus, the diuretic dynamo. Asparagus strides in at number 8, and it's a standout in the kidney support lineup. These vibrant green spears pack a compound called asparagine, a natural diuretic that nudges your body to shed excess fluid and waste. For kidney patients battling swelling or fluid retention, edema, in medical speak, that's pure gold. It's also low in potassium and phosphorus, keeping it firmly in a safe zone while delivering serious nutritional bang. Antioxidants are another ace up asparagus' sleeve. They fend off oxidative damage, acting like armor for your kidney's filtration system. Over the years, I've seen how oxidative stress can chip away at kidney function. Antioxidants are your counterpunch. Oh, and that funky smell in your pee after eating it? Totally normal, totally harmless. It's just your body waving a little flag. Hey, I'm doing my job. Roast it until the tips crisp up, divine with a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. Steam it lightly for a tender side, or chop it into a kidney-friendly soup. Raw asparagus can be tough and fibrous, so a quick cook softens it up and makes those nutrients easier to absorb. Take Lisa, a 40-year-old CKD patient I advised a while back. She was fed up with puffy ankles and fingers. "I can't even wear my rings," she complained. I suggested asparagus, starting with a roasted batch. She was dubious. "Spears? Really?" But a week later, she called me, giddy. "My rings fit again." Her fluid levels stabilized, and she felt a lightness she hadn't in months. It's moments like that, small, human victories, that keep me hooked on this work. Asparagus is a bit of a diva, elegant, effective, and a touch dramatic with that scent. Don't overcook it, you'll strip away its magic. It's a modest effort for a hefty reward, and your kidneys will notice the difference. Number 7. Turnips, the underdog root. Turnips roll in at number 7, and they are the underdog you didn't know you needed. They might not top your grocery list. When was the last time you even thought about them? But for kidney health, they are a champ. Low in potassium and phosphorus, they are a brilliant stand-in for starchy potatoes, which can send potassium levels soaring. They are also fiber-rich, aiding digestion and helping your body ditch toxins, crucial for keeping kidney stress at bay. Turnips have a subtle peppery bite raw, but cooking mellows them out. Roasting teases out sweetness, while mashing mimics mashed potatoes without the potassium baggage. They are flexible. Toss them into soups, shave them into salads, or eat them raw if you're adventurous. I met Tom, a 60-year-old truck driver with CKD, who was mourning his comfort foods. Potatoes were off the table, and he was miserable. I pitched mashed turnips. Give it a shot, I said. He grumbled but humored me. Next visit, he flashed a rare grin. Tastes like home. His potassium levels held steady, and he felt full without the regret. Sometimes, it's the quiet wins that hit hardest. Turnips are the shy kid who surprises you with hidden talent. They are not flashy, but they deliver. If they cause gas, some folks notice it. Cook them thoroughly. Your gut will appreciate the assist. Number 6. Radishes, the peppery hydrators. Radishes sneak into number 6, and they are more than a garnish. They are a kidney-friendly revelation. With over 95% water, they are hydration heroes, helping your kidneys sweep waste out the door. Low in potassium and phosphorus, they are a safe bet, and their antioxidants tackle inflammation with a peppery zing. That sharpness can be tamed. Roasting turns them sweet and mellow, pickling adds a tangy twist, or thin slices jazz up salads. Overdo it, though, and they might stir up gas, so start modest and cook them if your stomach's sensitive. Sarah, a 35-year-old mom with kidney issues, craved crunch but felt stuck. I suggested radishes roasted, to ease her in. It's like chips, but better, she laughed. Her hydration markers improved, and she felt a flicker of control amid the chaos. It's those little aha moments that stick with me. Radishes bring sass to the table, bold yet gentle. They are a shake-up for a kidney diet that's gone stale, and they punch above their weight. Number 5, onions, the flavorful protectors. Onions land at number 5, and they are a kidney-friendly flavor bomb. Low in potassium and sodium, they let you skip salt without sacrificing taste. Their antioxidants shield your kidneys from oxidative wear, and they are gut-friendly when cooked raw. Ones can bloat, so soak them in water if you're going that route. Caramelize them for a sweet, rich depth, sauté for savory warmth, or toss them raw into salads. Cooking softens their bite and eases digestion. Mike, a 45-year-old with CKD, was tired of bland meals. Food's no fun anymore, he sighed. Onions turned it around. He caramelized them and crowed, it's like candy. His labs stayed steady, and he rediscovered joy at the table. Onions are the unsung MVPs, cheap, potent, and kind to your kidneys. They are proof flavor doesn't need to cost you health. Number 4, garlic, the tiny titan. Garlic storms in at number 4, a pint-sized kidney health titan. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds guard your kidneys, while its detox vibes bolster heart health, a big deal since kidney and heart woes often tag team. Its bold, salt-free flavor at its peak. Crush it, let it sit 10 minutes, then cook lightly to unlock its full power. Raw works too, but brace for garlic breath. Parsley can tame it. Anna, a 50-year-old with CKD, ditched salt for garlic at my nudge. She roasted it and raved, my chicken's never been better. Her blood pressure eased, and she felt in charge again. Garlic's a game changer, medicinal and essential. Your kidneys deserve its punch. Number 3, cauliflower, the low-carb star. Cauliflower grabs number 3 with its low potassium, high fiber cred. Antioxidants bolster kidney defenses, and it's a carb-cutting star. Think rice or mash. Gas can sneak in, so cook it and start small. Rachel, a 38-year-old on dialysis, missed rice. Cauliflower rice clicked. It's light and tasty, she said. Her energy rose, and she felt less bogged down. Cauliflower's the shapeshifter, adaptable and kind. It's healthy that tastes good. Number 2, cabbage, the detox darling. Cabbage claims number 2, a detox dream for kidneys. Low in potassium, rich in fiber and vitamins, it fights inflammation and boosts immunity. Its compounds purge toxins. Don't overboil, or you'll lose the goods. Sauté it, shred it into slaw, or simmer it in soup, hearty yet gentle. Mark, a 55-year-old with CKD, tried cabbage soup at my suggestion. It's warming, he said. His labs nudged up, and he felt cleansed. Cabbage is humble magic your kidneys will hum. Number 1, red bell peppers, the vitamin-packed champs. Red bell peppers top the list, low in potassium, bursting with vitamins A and C, and antioxidant-rich. They guard kidneys, curb inflammation, and lift immunity. Sweet and vibrant must-haves. Raw, lightly roasted, or blended into hummus, white beans, not chickpeas. Don't overcook, keep the vitamins alive. Emily, a 30-year-old with CKD, added red peppers to salads. They are so bright, she said. Her vitamin levels climbed, and she glowed. Red bell peppers are the gold standard, your diet's MVP. Lessons to live by. There you have it, the top 10 vegetables to boost your kidney health. From zucchini's hydration power to the vitamin kick of red bell peppers, these aren't just bites to eat, they are your partners in wellness. My years as a nutrition and human health researcher have drilled this into me. Tiny, savvy decisions add up to huge rewards. Pick one veggie, get the hang of it, then grow from there. Check in with your doctor or dietitian to customize it for you. This is your game plan. Closing thought, kidney health isn't about limits, it's about taking charge. Maria, John, Lisa, and so many others didn't just upgrade their meals, they leveled up their lives. You're next in line. Subscribe for more, and let's keep this adventure rolling. Your kidneys and the future, you will be grateful.